SMWD Water District serves both water and sewer service for our community. Roughly 165,000 people are within our district. About 55,000 connections make up the entirety of the district.
Lake Mission Viejo Association is a master homeowners association, and we have approximately 24,000 homes in the membership and about 80,000 individual memberships. We are a recreational facility, and we offer swimming, boating, fishing, and many other activities here, including summer concerts. In 2014, in the midst of an already 5-year drought, the state of California enacted restrictions on the use of potable water for recreational lakes.
The lake had come to us because they had had a history of the state looking at the lake as an impractical use of a very valuable resource, that being drinking water. They wanted to make sure that they secured a source of water that they could have both during a drought and beyond, a sustainable type of source. So, bouncing some ideas back and forth, we looked at the potential of using recycled water.
The Water District's engineers came up with an idea to build a water purifying plant to take recycled water, tertiary recycled water, and filter it 3 additional times.
When we were doing the preliminary design, basically the feasibility study, Wiggins was very helpful with the consulting engineer that was doing the work for the lake, and provided a lot of information that was useful.
Wiggin Water Technology offers a modular type of equipment. They were able to provide engineering and design services and begin the manufacturing process while we at the ground level here started to lay out the treatment facilities. We were able to use many of the district facilities and existing infrastructure to make this fast-track schedule happen. We have a 500,000 gallon storage reservoir right across the street from Lake Mission Viejo. And we were able to use the pump station and that stored reservoir as a source to the recycled water treatment process that Wiggin Water Technology provided.
So what we provided was skid-mounted package treatment equipment, which allowed it to be brought in here and basically just connected up to flanges on the equipment, all fully assembled except for the membrane modules that were installed on site.
So the reclaimed water that comes to the reservoir next door is treated in this facility. The first step of the treatment is the ultrafiltration module. Basically, in ultrafiltration, we're sucking the water through polymeric straws with an average pore size of about 0.1 microns.
That removes all the solids before a reverse osmosis process. What it also is a barrier to bacteria and viruses. Through
a process called reverse osmosis, we're able to reduce the average dissolved solid content of the water from about 800 to 1,000 parts per million down to around 200 parts per million.
After the reverse osmosis process, which is taking out your nutrients, your dissolved salts, and they're an additional barrier to bacteria and viruses as well, it goes through ultraviolet disinfection for final disinfection, and then pH adjustment, and then it goes to the lake.
The product water line is delivered under Alicia Boulevard through a slip line pipeline where we used an existing abandoned pipeline as a sleeve. That existing pipeline also goes into the lake and underwater.
So what you have here is a multi-barrier approach to viruses and bacteria, which is what is stipulated for direct potable reuse. You've got the barrier of the ultrafiltration, the reverse osmosis, and then the final ultraviolet disinfection.
It allows us a sustainable water supply to keep the lake filled, to allow our members to continue to enjoy the excellent outdoor activities here at the lake.
We feel that with this, we have definitely teamed with the community to solve a long-term problem, that they now have a sustainable supply of water that'll keep this lake filled, coupled with the rainfall for as far as we can see into the future.